Good morning, children. We will continue the same chapter, that is metals and non-metals. The first topic is ionic compound. This ionic compound, other name is electrovalent compound. The other name of ionic compound is electrovalent compound. This compound is formed between metals and non-metals. Example, sodium chloride. Sodium is a metal, chloride is a non-metal. Chlorine is a non-metal. Calcium sulfate. Calcium is a metals, and whereas sulfate is a non-metallic radical group. And magnesium chloride. These are the examples. Wherever metal is present, you write it is a ionic compound. The other name of ionic compound is electrovalent compound. Understood? Today we discuss only 3 examples. The rest you do at home. Practice at home. One example I will give you, sodium chloride. I will show the bond formation, ionic bond formation between sodium metal and chlorine non-metal. Second example, magnesium chloride. Third example, calcium oxide. These 3 we do, the rest you practice at home. First we study about NaCl. It is formed between sodium metal and chlorine non-metal. To know this, you should know some elements with its atomic number. Okay, if you know the atomic number, you might have studied. So just to recollect that. Sodium, atomic number of sodium is 11. Chlorine is 17. This is fixed. We have to learn. You know what is atomic number? Number of proton. Number of proton is always equal to number of electron in a neutral atom. This is a neutral atom. No charge over there. So 11 proton it has. The same way 11 electron also it has. That's what this atom is neutral. In a neutral atom, number of proton remains same and number of proton and electron remain same. In a neutral atom, this is also neutral, over the chlorine no charge is there. So it has 17 proton as well as 17 electron. In a neutral atom, number of proton and number of electron remain same. So now come back. If it has 11 electrons. I told you in the class, I have taken the example of classroom. The first seat only 2 students can be seated. Such an arrangement is made. In the second seat 8 children can be seated. Third also 8. The same manner, electrons also arranged. Middle nucleus is there. Around the nucleus, electron is revolving. First orbit, how many electron can rotate? 2. And the second orbit 8. Third orbit 8 as it goes on. Okay, it goes on like that. 8, 8. But you study in higher class in another method. Right now you study this one. 2, 8, 8. Okay. So now you are having 11 electrons. So first cell how many electrons? 2. And the second cell 8. And total 10 over, the remaining 1 is left. So third cell remains. There will be 1 electron. 2. First cell there are 2 electrons. Then 8 electrons. Then how many electrons is left? Only 1 electron is left. That remains the last cell. This is called valence cell or valence cell electron. The last cell is electron is called last cell electron is called valence cell electron. Understood? Now come back to chlorine. Chlorine has 17 atomic number. That means 17 proton as well as 17 electrons. Proton, electron remain same for a neutral atom. Now you distribute this electron. First cell it is 2. Second cell it is 8. And remaining how many electrons are left? 7. So third cell 8 can be accommodated, but you are having 7. Understood? 2, 8 and 7. So valence cell electron is here 7. To be stable, You need first cell how many electrons? 2. The last cell you should have 8 electrons. Here what is the number of electrons? Only 1. Is it stable? No. Here also last cell it has 7 electrons. Is it considered to be stable? No. So what they do, there is a chemical reaction occurs between that. Electron transferring. Metal always donate electron. This metal donate 1 electron to this chlorine. After donating, it will become 2, 8. It will become 2, 8, 8. 1 electron taken. Such a transfer of electrons taken place between 2 atoms form what type of bond? Electrovalent compound or ionic compound. The bond formed is ionic bond or electrovalent bond. Because after donating, metal donated 1 electron, isn't it? Carefully listen. This metal donated 1 electron. Now 1 electron is less. So it will form sodium plus ion. And chlorine 1 electron taken. So electron is more. Negative charge is increased. 1 negative charge is increased. So Cl minus. Understood? Why it is plus? 1 electron donated. Now 1 electron is less in case of sodium. In case of chlorine, it has gained 1 electron. Before it was neutral because equal number of electron and equal number of proton it has. Now it gained 1 electron. So one charge is, electron charge is more. So minus. Generally you study metal donate electron, non-metal gain electron. And form what charge? Positive charge. Non-metal form what charge? Negative charge. Because electron is increased. It has taken the electron. Here electron is decreased, reduced. So it is plus charge. Okay. If metal gives 2 electron and it will form 2 plus charge. If non-metal gain 2 electron, then it will form 2 minus charge. Here only one donation happened. Metal donated only 1 electron, so 1 plus. Non-metal gain only 1 electron, so 1 minus. Understood? Next. Now what happened between these? So see a plus and minus, they attract each other and form a bond between this ion and this ion. That bond is, force is called electrostatic force. You might have studied in the 8th. What is electrostatic force? Charge bond between charge and like charge. Plus and minus, they attract each other and form and become neutral compound. NaCl. So what is the force exists between these 2 atoms? Electrostatic force. Which is a strong force. Chemically reacted because electron involves. So chemical reaction occurs. Such a bond is strong bond, that is electrostatic force. Force exists between 2 atoms is electrostatic force. So it is a strong bond. Mind this word strong. So in diagrammatically we will express, how will you express this? Sodium you write. Okay, electron dot structure we write first. Dot structure. They can be asked. Write the dot structure formation of sodium chloride from metal and non-metal. Dot structure or Lewis structure they say. That we study in 4th chapter, now is this dot structure. So what is the dot structure? You have to, because sodium has 2, 8, 1 electrons, isn't it? You mention only outermost cell electron. In this sodium, outermost how many electron is there? Only 1. So show that electron. In chlorine, outermost cell how many electrons you are having? 7. So you show this 7 electrons. Only you show the outermost electrons. And what they do? This metal donate electrons. Metal donate, always donate from positive charge. Only one donation occurs, so 1 plus. Metal donated and form Na plus. There is no more electron here. Whereas chlorine has 8 electrons. And what charge it carries? Minus charge. This is a dot structure of or Lewis structure of sodium chloride compound. Formation of sodium chloride compound. Okay, but remember Lewis structure or dot structure if they ask, you can write. In another manner, you can express this also. nucleus, structure you draw. Okay, through the structure you are explaining. Structure you draw, middle nucleus is there. Around the nucleus, one cell, first cell, second cell, third cell. K cell, L cell, M cell. First cell is K, L, M. It goes on like that. You might have studied in the previous class. First cell is called K cell, L, then M. See here 2 electrons are there. Electronic configuration you know. First you write the electronic configuration. First cell it is 2. Second cell it is 8. And the last cell it is 1. Okay. The same way chlorine you have to draw. Middle nucleus, chlorine electronic configuration is 2, 8, 7. First cell it is 2. Second cell it is 8. And the last cell it is 7. What they do? They will donate 1 electron. So what will be the next structure it will be? What would be the next structure? You have to draw like this. You have to leave this final, outermost cell you have to leave because it donated 1 electron. So sodium you write. Next structure. Nucleus, 2 cells, then 8 cell. That's all. Okay, because this cell is varies because it donated the 1 electron. And whereas chlorine, nucleus, first cell 2, second cell 8, third cell 8 you have to draw. Okay, its own electron is 8, then 1 electron donated from the sodium. So that electron you shows like this. You got to show like this. Okay, now this you have to show this is charged particle. It is a structure of charged ion because it is after donation this structure become. 1 electron is donated, here 1 electron is gained. So you have to write a charge over the atom. Na plus Cl minus. And the next you have to write and form a NaCl compound. Okay, first structure, second structure, third you write this. Through structure you have explained the ionic compound formation of sodium chloride. Okay, next example is magnesium chloride. Atomic number of magnesium is 12. Chlorine is 17. Okay, immediately you write the electronic configuration. If you have 12 proton, you are having 12 electron also because it is neutral atom. And how the electrons are distributed around the nucleus? First cell it is 2, the second cell it is 8. See here 12 electrons are there. So first cell 2 maximum, second cell maximum 8, remaining 2 are left to right. Maximum 8 can be accommodated here, but you are having only 2. So total 12. Understood? And here 2, 8, 7. Understood? Is it stable? Both are not stable. So what they do? Metals always donate electron. How many electrons donate? 2 electrons, isn't it? But this chlorine need only 1 electron. So it may combine with 1 more chlorine. You write 1 more chlorine. So it donates 2 electrons. One to this chlorine, the other one to this chlorine. Understood? So how do you write the structure? I am going to draw the dot structure, Lewis structure. Magnesium, you show the outermost electron, and the chlorine, you show the outermost electron, and the next chlorine, you show the outermost electron. Understood? Metal donate electron I told you because so it is not stable, and 1 electron donate to here, 1 electron donate to here. Now after donation it is stable because it will become 2,8, it will become 288, 288. Now it will become charged. How? Because it donated 2 electrons, so 2 plus. Each chlorine gained 1 electron. Each chlorine gained 1 electron, so minus 1, minus 1. Understood? And next structure, what will you write? How will you write? This is magnesium. Now don't write because it is donated. And the chlorine, over the chlorine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, its own electron, and 1 donated, no? it gained 1 electron. And the second chlorine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it gained 1 electron from magnesium. And here you have to write Mg2 plus. And here how many chlorine? This is chlorine minus, this is chlorine minus. Now how many times? 2 chlorine, 2 chloride ion. Understood? You can write 1 also, otherwise you can leave also. Understood? And what happened now? This one, isn't it? And combined to form Mg. I told you crisscross. I told you to write crisscross. We have studied the last year. This two you write here. This one you write here. So form MgCl2. Getting crisscross, you know. Last year you have studied. It has given 2 electrons. So 2 plus. Each chlorine taken 1 electron. So C minus, C minus. How many C minus? 2 C minus. Once again, magnesium 2 plus. How many C minus? 2 Cl chloride. How many Cl minus? 2 chloride ion. Understood? Now you do, how will you write the formula? You write the symbol, then crisscross. This one right here. This one right here. So this one no need to mention. Okay, the compound is MgCl2. Clear, children? Very careful. They will give you so many examples. Indirect question they will ask you. They don't mention Mg. They will give you X or Y atom. Okay, and show the compound formation. You got to explain with this. Okay, you do crisscross finally. Understood? Don't confuse. One more example. The third example is calcium oxide. Atomic, first you have to write the symbol, then write the atomic number. Okay, symbol, then write the atomic number. Up to 20, up to calcium in the periodic table, you learn the atomic number. You might have learned the previous year, but still you can do once again read it thoroughly. Up to calcium, you have to by heart the atomic number. Understood? This is fixed, so you have to learn. Now, after writing atomic number, you write the electronic configuration, distribution of electron. First cell 2, then 8, then 8, again this is 18, then 2 electrons are left. And here first cell 2, then 6. This last final outermost cell electron has its outermost cell has 2 electron. Its outermost cell has 6 electron. None of them is stable. To be stable, they need 8 electron in the last cell. In the first cell, 2 electron. Last cell, they should have 8 electrons. So none is stable here. So what they do? They undergo chemical reaction, transferring the electron. Metal donate, non-metal gain. How will you show the dot structure? You write the symbol and show the last cell electron. Calcium last cell electron is 2. And oxygen symbol you write, the last outermost cell electron is 6. Okay. Now metal donate and oxygen non-metal gain. It has 6 electron. To be stable, outermost it has 6 electron. To be stable, it needs totally how many electrons? 8. So already it has 6. So it needs 2 more electrons. So who will donate that 2 electrons? Calcium donate. See here, it donates both electrons. Now after donating calcium, 2 given, no? So 2 plus charge, 2 electron is donated. So it gains 2 positive charge. Electropositive. Metal always form electropositive. Each word you remember. Write the notes. Metal always form electropositive. Non-metal always form electronegative. Okay. Now they are called electronegative groups. Metals are called electropositive groups. Listen. Oxygen taken, 1 oxygen taken, 2 electron. So 2 minus. Next, how will you write the compound formation? I told you crisscross, isn't it? This 2 you write here. This 2 you write here. So 2 cancel. So finally you will get the compound is calcium oxide CaO. Clear? This is the way you have to show the structure. And this is a dot structure. With the strong in structure, how will you show this? This is calcium. This is oxygen. Inside nucleus is there. Outside the nucleus, what is electronic configuration? 2882. No. Oxygen ka 2, 6. Here 2882. Electrons, electronic configuration. Nucleus you draw. First cell 2 electron. Second cell 8 electron. Next cell also 8 electron. Draw the structure in your copy, okay? And oxygen. Nucleus, first cell 2 electron. Second cell 6 electron. What they do? The last cell you are having 2 electron, no? What they do? Metal donate. Because it needs 2 electrons. 6 only, it is having 6 electrons. It needs to overall outermost cell, it needs 8 electrons. Already it has 6 electrons. So 2 more electrons it requires. It requires how many electrons? 2 more electrons. So calcium will donate. So after that next structure what will you do? First cell 2 electron. Second cell 8. Third cell 8. Don't draw the structure of the last cell. Don't draw the last cell because it is donated. Now here oxygen, it is calcium. Now after donated, what charge you have tried? 2 plus because 2 electron donated already. Oxygen, first cell 2. Second cell how many you have tried? 2 gained, no? So 6 plus 2, 8. Okay. So 2 electron is more than when it became neutral. Already it was 8 when it was neutral form. Now it become 10 electrons. So you would write 2 minus because it has before it has 8 plus charge, 8 minus charge. Now it become 8 plus charge, that is 8 protons and 10 electrons. So 2 electrons are extra. That's what you have written 2 minus. Are you getting? And then when you go for this calcium, it has 20 atomic number. So 20 proton, 20 electron. Now what happened? In order to attain stability, outermost to become 8 electron. To get 8 electron, the last cell, they donated that 2 electron. Now it has 20 proton, 18 electron. Now proton is more, that's a 2 plus. Are you getting? Once again I am writing to make you sure. Now calcium has how many? Earlier, this is before, this is after. Here calcium, oxygen. Before calcium has atomic number is 20. So 20 proton, that is plus charge, 20 electron, that is minus charge. Understood? To attain stability, now what happened? Bracket write electronic configuration. 2, 8, 8, 2. To attain last cell, it is not having 8 electron. So to attain stability, they donated this 2 electron. So now what happened? 20 proton and how many electron? 2 donated, no? 18 electron. Getting? Now electronic configuration 288 only. 2 is donated. So now you might be clear. So go through once again. Oxygen, earlier it has 8 atomic number. That means proton also 8, electron also 8. Okay. Electronic configuration first cell 2, 6. It is not stable. So they gain the electron. Now after that what happened? Oxygen, now after reaction what happened? Proton is 8 and the electron 2 gained from the calcium. So 2, that is 10. That means 2, 8. It is 6 earlier it was. Now it gained 2 electrons, so it became 8. So 2 electrons are extra. That's what O2 minus. Here 2 electrons are reduced. See here? Proton is more. 2 protons are more. So What is the calcium? 2 plus. Here oxygen 2 minus. 8 proton and 10 electron. So electrons are extra. 2 electrons are extra. So 2 minus. Here protons are extra. 20 proton, 18 electron. 2 protons are extra. That's what a positive charge. It means positive charge. 2 plus. Clear now children? Next we